Okay, so we are going to see the mic testing of this condenser mic, and I have connected this to my laptop. So let me show you. So this has been connected at this 3.5 jack, and I'm going to start an app in my mobile in my laptop, and we will see how it will record the things. So it is connected now, and the mic is like somewhat at a distance of my mouth, and we will see how it will record. And I will show you the voice from this speaker. Okay, so I am using this flashback recorder, Maono AU400 lavalier microphone. And okay, so now the recording has been started, and I'm whatever I'm telling you is recording in this application through. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just move the mic towards my mouth. So let's me remove this, and let me start saying hello, 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 hello. Okay, so now I am just stopping this recording, and we will see what quality of voice has been recorded. Okay, so the process has been done, and let me make the speaker as USB audio. So now you can hear the noise from this two speaker, and this subwoofer. Okay, so let me make this voice full, and let me start. Hey, I'm just reviewing this one, Maono AU400 lavalier microphone. And okay, so now the recording has been started, and whatever I'm telling you is recording in this application through this mic. Okay, so now, so as you can see, it has been capturing the surrounding sound also, so it is not a noise cancelling microphone. What I will do, I will just move the mic towards my mouth. So let's remove this, and let me start saying hello, 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 hello. Okay, so now so the recording is good. It is not noise cancelling. However, one thing I found that it is very difficult to mount this microphone in this holder which they have given, and it easily slips out because this is a plastic, and it is not good. So I got two clips. One gets broken while mounting the mic onto this, so this is the one of the disadvantage. Second, it is not noise cancelling. However, the voice that has been recorded is okay for the price in which you are getting this. So it is around 400 to 300 in between that, and for that price it is okay, and it also works well with the mobile phone. I haven't tried with the DSLR, but you can try it if you want a microphone in a low amount of range. So that's all for this video. Thank you.